Hello traders everywhere, Adam Hewison here, coming to you from the digital studios of MarketClub. Well, welcome to September. Labor Day is over, and the market should be getting a little more serious in regards to what they want to do. Today we're going to be looking at Dollar General and Family Dollar stores. You've probably seen the actual takeover, the news that came out this morning. Dollar General is bidding $80 a share for Family Dollar stores. We think it's going to go higher, and we'll show you the reason why that is. But let's take a look at Family Dollar stores all the way back. All the data we have on this stock, we'll go all the way back, and we'll just put a simple line chart on. Just click here on the line chart. Family Dollar stores, or FDO is the symbol for that stock, really bottomed out right here. That was in January 2008, almost a year before the general market, like the S&P 500, bottomed out in the first quarter of 2009. And from that period, sort of moved pretty much in an upward trend. Now, as I said, I'm going to show you why I think this stock could go higher. And here's what we're looking at. If we just look at really since 2013, we had a low right here, and then we've had another low here. This is right around the $55 level. And we went up to a high. I'm going to call that 75 just for discussion's sake, and we're going to call this 55. And then we came back down, tested the lows, came right back up, and broke over this high right here, this small breakout. If we subtract 55 from 75, it gives us 20. If we add 20 to 75, that gives us 95. So the reality is, we think that the Family Dollar store should go to $95, just technically. Now, whether or not we see Dollar General willing to bid that much for this stock remains to be seen. But again, the trade triangles have this right, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So I'm going to put our trade triangles in. There's our monthly, and you can see that kicked in. We'll get much closer. Let's just do the last 6 months. You can see how we kicked in right here at 66.13, and it showed you that something was going on in the stock based on our technical analysis. This is not knowing anything about the insider trading or Dollar General buying or wanting to buy the Family Dollar store. It's simply going on what the market's doing. So as you can see, here it is at 66.13, which is the same as here. And we did come down. We did come down a little bit, I must admit. But then we have our weeklies. You can see our weeklies came out at 65.30. So we would have been out of the market at 65.30, taking a very small loss of maybe about 80 cents, which I think you'll agree is a really small price to pay. Then we get back in here at 65.86, and of course the market's doing really well since then. So I think, generally speaking, we think we're on the right side of the market. We think it can go higher. We think it can go to 95 based on that pivot point and that double bottom we looked at earlier on today. So let's take a look at Dollar General and see how they're doing. Very similar pattern. You can see this market just sort of kept moving up from 2009. And as I say, everything in the store is a dollar, so everybody wants to be shopping when times are tough in stores like that. New highs, so it's clearly in a bull market, bull trend. I think this stock will probably go higher as well. Maybe not as high, maybe up to the 70, 75 level, but generally speaking, the trend is your friend, and if you put our trade triangles in, you can see that our trade triangles are basically plus 100, indicating a strong trend both in Dollar General and Family Tree stores. This is coupled, if we go back to our portfolio page, you'll see that the Dow is now plus 100, you're plus 100 in the S&P 500, and you're plus 100 in NASDAQ. Very bullish atmosphere right now in the market. So all green trade triangles indicating a strong trend. Hey, I'm Adam Hewison. It's September. Let's get serious. Let's make some money. Lots going on. We'll be talking about Apple perhaps later on this week because it comes out with its big announcement on the 9th of September. Have a great trading day, everyone.
You can find Adam Hewison as a regular contributor on Bloomberg, Business News Network, CNBC, and Fox Business News.